Solo. It's a reason, need no reason. Shawty drip like man, she cost a season. Ooh, yeah. Shawty blow my phone, don't need no reason. Shawty talking, man, I need some peace. Alright, y'all, so today was a successful day. We technically had an overall loss, but it's all about the longevity game. So this trade was a US 30 trade that I actually took, and I got into a Bitcoin trade earlier, which was for a buy, which was doing so well, but then I exited out of the trade, which I ended up losing some profits, and I'll show you guys that a little bit. But yeah, I ended up closing out on this trade like around here just because I didn't like how it was looking overall. Also, I wanted to tap into this oil trade, but I got in for a buy initially, and then I closed out of the position once I seen this. I'm like, yo, I'm looking at this the wrong way. And so that's basically that. But this was pretty much my biggest trade today. And just kind of like looking here, yeah, you see this is the overall P&L. We have this account right now. Probably can't see it because it's not trying to zoom in. But basically, we have some money in this account. It's a 10. It would start at 10,000, but of course we're down. But these two trades we pretty much did very well. I just want to show you guys what I did. So this $2,000 loss ended up being that US oil trade that I took for a buy for like a 5 lot, and then I realized obviously it was dropping, so I got out of it. But then I just started tapping into a bunch of US 30 trades. This there was 2 buys that I accidentally got into. This was the buy I was supposed to get into, but then I accidentally got into another buy when I was supposed to get into a sell. And I hate when I do that. So I exited out and I closed out in a loss, but you know, we kind of bounced back with this phenomenal trade right here. I once again mentioned TWS is officially out. So guys, if you aren't a part of this community, tap in. The link is literally down below. And get in tune. We just pretty much, I think we now probably have a total, about total 30 members in here. I kind of mentioned it in my previous community, and hopefully everybody on my YouTube and Instagram will be tapping in soon. But this is the community, guys. I'm super excited for the community. A couple of things that you will get is the solo AI bot, meaning you can ask it any questions and it will literally give you the answer. And then also you will get access to our Lock It Trade AI trading journal, which is an exclusive journal. Talk about it already. You also get access to the live streams that we're going to be doing. And you're also going to get access to PDF files, our mini course, and so much more. We're going to be doing competitions as well. And it's just going to be a lot of different things you guys can tap into. So if you're not tapped into it, tap into it. And other than that, yeah, let's get it. Pretty much the things that I need to bring. I need to bring this rollcaster. I got 2 rollcasters. Technically 3, actually. Because I have technically 4. I have one in my studio, but I have a smaller version of this that I need to fucking take back to Rodecaster because it won't turn on for whatever reason. Don't need a monitor. I need lights. So definitely gonna bring one of my favorite lights, which is this aperture. So we're gonna bring that. We might add some color. But I can actually use this for color. I'm gonna bring this one. Yeah, let's just bring this one. Okay. So we'll put it in one of these. Probably throw it in here. I think 3 of these just in case. These are like my favorites when it comes to lenses. I also have the Sigmas, the 50 mil. These are the actual ones I'm gonna bring. I don't have it in a box because it might be already in the camera. But bringing 2 56 mils and maybe a 16 mils too wide, maybe a 30 mil, maybe. Okay, y'all. So we are about to do this setup here at the studio. Right now, let me show y'all a little bit what's going on. Nice little setup, nothing crazy. Got the cameras here. Maybe show y'all the angles so y'all can see a little bit. And then this one is off right now. Yeah. Okay. We got this angle right there too. It looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Your goal is to try not to play with the cord a little bit so it doesn't sound.
I'm just gonna hold it like this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is this filming? Yeah.
Great question. I'm not sure.
Oh, you're not supposed to talk. Yeah.
No, don't be working then.
I'm like, am I not supposed to be making noise?
No, it's not. You didn't
Hella noise.
Exactly. Ricky's up there.
Mic check. Takina, Samuel, what you have to do is hold the camera.
What do you mean?
Vlogging camera.
Okay.
So it just doesn't do anything crazy. And then also be careful too because it's flimsy with that stand. So like don't try not to do too much. You know, when we have the sets downstairs, when you walk that shakes.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Okay.
Water or no?
Is that what you? Is that what
I
you
have
get
water,
for me?
yeah.
Yes.
Simon, can I get like just a little bit of water?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, y'all got water?
Well, give me a second. I'm finna go.
Simon, you have it? For sure.
Alright, so I wanted to do this video just to talk a little bit about the mental and the mindset on how it's so important. You guys seen the trades that I basically took this morning. I'm so eager to get back in the charts, but it's like we have to understand when we make a certain amount, we have to keep in mind that we want to understand the game is all about longevity and consistent overall. The key thing when you guys take these trades, you want to understand something. You don't want to just keep trading to keep trading to keep trading to keep trading. Regardless if your plan or if you don't have a plan, but regardless if you had a plan, let's say you did and you told yourself only 3 trades a day, regardless if they're win or losses, lock in. If you don't have a plan, lock in. Like figure that shit out. Figure out how to manage your wins, how to manage your losses, because the key thing to trading is literally knowing how to control your mental. It's not a strategy. My strategy is so basic, and you guys see a lot of my videos that I do post on YouTube about ways that I look at the charts. And yeah, I make it super basic and super simple, but there is a lot of small increment details that you gotta essentially worry about and consider in trading. But the key goal here is to really lock in and really understand that if you want tremendous success in trading, you have to sometimes step away from the charts, whether if it's been a great day or not. And if your goal is to take 10 trades a day, that's fucking fine. Like don't let nobody tell you, oh, you need to do 3 trades a day, 5 trades a day. Bro, you can do whatever the fuck you want to do. You just have to understand that whatever you set your mind to, just fucking set your mind to and lock in. The goal to trading is you following what you created for yourself. And that's the goal. I'm a scalper. So me scalping, I could take 10 trades a day. A swing trader usually do 2-3 trades a week. If that, you know, so there's nothing that you guys need to hold against you. And this is why I always say never always lock into some of these influencers or traders that's talking about, oh, you need to do 1% a trade or 2% a trade. Fuck no. You could do 30% a trade. You could do 40% a trade if you want to. I'm not saying, oh, this guy's talking, he don't know what he's talking about. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't even fucking matter overall what you're necessarily put on your plan for amount of trades you want to take, the overall risk you want to do. Like, lock in. Just lock in and figure that shit out. Because anything is fucking possible. Anything is possible. Literally. If you want to risk 30% per trade, then do it. If you literally want to risk 2% per trade, then do it. 2% is the most safest and it how can I put it to you? It's the most reliable method of substantial growth. 30% is risky as shit. I mean, I be honest with you guys. When I did my $1,400 account to $40,000 in 3 days, I was fucking over trading and over leveraging my account. Can I do that again? Yeah, but will I do that again? Maybe, but will I succeed again? Probably not, because it's not consistent. So I want y'all to understand, anything is possible. Just put your mind to it. Because when I even did that account growth, I knew what I did to get there. And I was taking a lot of trades, which made me be over trade. And then the second thing is I was over leveraging, like meaning like I was risking like for one trade I would damn near risk my entire account because I had no stop loss and I was just going with the flow. But the backbone behind that story is I knew the trend was in this uptrend inside of like in Elliott wave terms. There's something called the wave 3, which is a motive wave or an impulsive wave. And I knew we were in the second leg going into the third wave. So I knew price was just going to go up. And that's how I scaled my account from $1,400, $1,400 to $40,000 because of the simple fact we were in the second wave going into the end of second wave going into wave 3. And that's pretty much how I trade. So it's like if you can catch that play throughout any trading session, if it's there, why not risk 30%? Because yeah, at the end of the day, the market obviously isn't controlled by us, but if we have a really good system in play, a lot of this consistency can happen, literally. And that's the most important thing in trading, guys. And I think that's the thing that a lot of us lack in, and a lot of us should lock in. So that's how I see it. Once again, guys, if you really want to tap in and everything, you can check out the link down below. You guys do get access to everything we have. My biggest thing is giving you guys access to this Lock and Trade journal because it creates the plan for you, and it tells you the rules that you're violating. And it also has this section or this tool where anybody here that's looking to trade a prop firm, you're basically able to allow the AI to analyze your entire system and tell you how prop firm ready you are. And it's anywhere from 0 to 100%, 0 being the worst, 100 being the best. And then if it gives you this overall read, it's now going to tell you that these two prop firms are your best options. You should trade these two prop firms and be based off of your style and your conditions. These are the two prop firms that you should trade. So I think that's the best part about this journal for all of my prop firm traders. But not even that, like everything else that it does, there is no other journal that I've literally researched for. Guys, this Lock and Trade has been a thing for literally 2 years almost now, and there is no journal that is doing these things that I'm doing. And me being a junior coder, but having these immaculate ideas, like I don't know, I think the creative thing that God blessed me with is taking somebody's idea and taking any idea and actually making it something and turning it to something, like turning it from nothing to something. Like that is my thing. And that's why I love music so much. Like I come up with these little ideas and I'm like, yo, let's turn this into a dope ass song, and it becomes a beautiful song. And I implement that into my entrepreneurship side. I implement that into like these products I'm developing. Like a lot of these products I'm developing is based off of my ideas and how I'm seeing what traders want and what is needed in a market. And I'm not here to create something really cool just because it sounds cool. I'm here to really create some shit. And I'm blessed that Lock It Trade is a part of one prop firm right now, which is Boer funded. But there's going to be so many other prop firms that's going to tap into Lock and Trade because I literally designed Lock and Trade for two reasons. One, for prop firms and brokers to actually use in their system for traders like us. And then also I created a separate Lock and Trade for traders that can just utilize it in a different way if they're not trying to trade prop firms or anything. So if you're trading with a prop firm and they have Lock and Trade, boom, you're good. If you're not even trading a prop firm, whatever, boom. So it's a lot of cool things that I'm thinking of and I'm locking into and I really want to implement. So I just want you to understand, I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys because I'm a trader myself and I know what it is that we really need out here. And unfortunately, there's nothing out there that will probably exist as of now that's literally going to take every account from $100 to $100,000 like that. Like there's no secret sauce out there for that, but there's tools that can literally get you close to there. And that's what I'm working on. So, yeah, guys.